The Vue application allows you also to preload different objects from different multiple formats. So it's help you if you create a building in a Mi or Max and you want to render inside the Vue's environment. You can easily open and import this. Vue have its own VOB format for the objects that it's available. You can download them or purchase from different places. To load an object, we can just go ahead and click on the load object. So let's go ahead, and right here you can see we have selections of different objects, exterior, interior, so we can go ahead and preload it. Notice right here you have an arrow when you need to download those objects if they're not included. Animals, and it's actually very nice because Vue also support animated objects. So even you have, for example, the poser, you can actually save as PZ format animated and import inside the Vue, and Vue will support this as well. And Vue also have its own pre-animated. So you have all these different elements, but beside that you can also import as your own object. Okay, so let's go right here. For example, we can have it OBJ, and as we're going to import or load it, if it's native, you can see you have a different objects. So for this one, I'll just keep it as default. Let's click OK. And right here, we're reading my OBJ. It also will support FBX and it support Collada format. So it will support multiple different type of the objects. Okay, and right here, when we have our object preloaded, okay, let's go ahead, just turn around. Now for the visibility, I'm going to switch this maybe to a different color. Okay, and we'll go to assign to all material. So we can preview object right here. And you can see we have the object we imported and we can use it in our scenery. And as you work more with Vue, you find out different libraries, different buildings, plants even, or other like from Xfrog or other ones you want to use it. So it's very easy, just import it and use it with this. Some objects may have a copy protection, so you cannot save it. But if you don't have copy protection, then you actually can save, and I recommend save as VOB format if you modify the textures and everything, because otherwise you maybe want to use the object, then it will load it faster if it's VOB, it's native format, and also the textures will work better if they're native. However, if you want to export to use another applications, you don't want to use it native textures, which is a procedural textures. You want to use it image based, so the texture will translate correctly. But overall, this way you can preload it, load different objects, import different objects from different format, and as well manipulating with them.